When innovation meets luxury and power on wheels, the result is nothing short of extraordinary. And the 2026 Kenworth T 2000 upgraded motorhome is living proof of that. Imagine taking the legendary strength of Kenworth's heavy-duty trucks and transforming it into a rolling palace, designed for those who demand unmatched comfort, high-class styling, and unstoppable performance on the open road. This is not just another motorhome. This is a statement of living large, traveling free, and embracing the future of recreational mobility. Honest Auto Wheels brings you a deep dive into this groundbreaking masterpiece that redefines what motorhomes are capable of in 2026. The first thing that grabs your attention is its bold and commanding design, a blend of truck-inspired toughness with aerodynamic sleekness that improves efficiency while turning heads everywhere it goes. The front end carries Kenworth's signature grille and sharp LED lighting that gives it a futuristic yet familiar identity. This isn't a motorhome that blends in, it's one that announces its presence with pride and power. Step inside and you're immediately transported into a world of elegance and technology. The cabin is designed like a luxury apartment on wheels, featuring premium leather seating, polished wood accents, ambient lighting, and an intelligent layout that maximizes space. From a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with smart appliances to a living area with plush recliners and a large entertainment screen, every corner speaks of comfort, tailored to long-haul journeys. The bedroom area feels more like a boutique hotel suite, with a king-size bed, climate control, and high-tech storage solutions. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and a spa-like vibe that makes you forget you're on the move. Technology runs through every vein of the T 2000 upgraded motorhome. Integrated AI-powered systems control lighting, climate, navigation, and entertainment with voice or app commands. The cockpit is built for drivers who crave control, featuring digital displays, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and real-time diagnostics. Powered by Kenworth's latest hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, it combines torque and efficiency, offering excellent fuel economy without sacrificing strength. Long road trips become smoother with enhanced suspension, noise reduction materials, and energy recovery systems that keep the ride eco-friendly and powerful. Storage has also been redesigned to handle both large gear and daily essentials, ensuring nothing gets left behind. For families, adventurers, or those who want to live life on the road without compromise, the 2026 Kenworth T 2000 upgraded motorhome delivers it all. It's a dream machine that combines the heart of a heavy-duty truck with the soul of a luxury home. Honest Auto Wheels proudly reviews it as one of the most exciting, capable, and luxurious motorhomes you can own in 2026. This is not just travel. This is transformation on wheels.